You know what? We are told success comes from hard work, but I think that's a lie. Or at least it's only half the story. You can work hard in a group, you can work hard for your boss, you can work hard being busy all day, but real success, the kind that changes your life, it doesn't come from just hard work. It comes when you're alone. And by alone, I don't mean lonely. Just don't you dare confuse them. Lonely is a passive, painful feeling. It's the ache of wanting a connection. And being alone or solitude, it's a weapon. It's an active, powerful choice. It's the decision to shut out the world's noise so you can finally brutally hear your own voice. It's the required ingredient for building something new. When you choose solitude, you have to master two new skills, two kind of detachment that are like non-negotiable. The number one, it's detachment from the price. We are obsessed with the result, the win, the money, the followers, the trophy, everything. When you work in solitude, you learn to detach from that. You fall in love with the process, with the work. You stop worrying like, will this even work? Or something like that. And you start thinking that, okay, I'm going to build this thing. Why? Because you have no audience, there's no one to clap for you. When you hit a small goal, you have to learn to get your satisfaction from the act of building itself. This makes you unstoppable. Now comes the number two, detachment from the noise. Well, this is the big one. This is detaching from the opinions of others. When you're alone, you're not getting constant feedbacks. You're not asking, what do you think of this every 5 minutes. This is terrifying at first, I agree. But it's where you build your conviction. You learn to trust your own guts. You learn to differentiate between useful feedbacks, which you can seek out, and just useless opinions, which comes from the crowd. Your being alone is the shield that protects your fragile idea from the world's suspicion before it's strong enough to survive. So, how do you actually do this? How do you practice solitude in a world that's always on? And yes, you don't find time. You need to make it. Schedule it, put it on your calendar with a focus block name or building time, whatever you want to call it. It is an appointment with your future. You protect it, just like you'd protect a meeting with your boss. Or you create a zero noise environment. This is critical. Your phone goes to do not disturb, or better, it goes to another room. All notifications off. The rule is simple. The world can wait for 90 minutes. Or just use the active solitude. This isn't about sitting in a dark room. It's about creation. You need to write, you code, you design, you build. You're not consuming, you're producing. This is what it looks like in practice. Just imagine you decide to build a side business. Your weeknight after 8 hours of your daily routine isn't on a sofa, it's at your desk for another 4 hours alone. That's solitude. When the weekend comes, your phone buzzes and everyone is like, oh, let's go out, everyone is meeting and all that. and you just say no. You stay in, right there. You are detaching. You're protecting your vision from their destruction. All the parties and all the drinks, everything. And a year later, your project takes off. It's paying your bills, and you quit your main job. Like, what do those same people say? Can you imagine? They'll say, like, oh wow, you're your own boss now, you're so lucky. Lucky? No, you just chose the laptop over the late night again and again when no one else was watching. But guess what? The no you said has a cost. That's the hard truth about relationships. When you choose this path, when you choose your goals over the group, you make people uncomfortable. It shines a light on their choices. So just listen to me. Be careful who you share your dreams with. A relationship can become a relationship wreck if the other person adds weight and not the wings. Your biggest wins aren't built in a spotlight. They are built in a quiet place or a room when no one else is around. So just don't you dare think that, oh, I'm feeling lonely and all that. Just dare to be alone.